Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Tech Over. Today in this video I just want to show you one of the best AI photo generator just here on flixclip.com. So once you get here on this website, you will get these tools and you're going to check out for AI photo generator. Now you're going to type anything you want to generate and you're going to choose the category you got here, like photo, cartoon, cyberpunk, or anything like painting, whatever. Just going to type here supercar on the street. And I'm going to use anime. You can see I got my photos already here on this tool, and I'm just going to try out here on photo. It's going to be real. So when I click on regenerate again, I will get my photo ready in 2 seconds. This is the super car. Let's go ahead to back to use the cyberpunk, and you can see this is cool, and I can save that by click over here to adding that on layer, and you can see the photo has been downloaded automatically just here on my Chrome, and I can just directly open it from the gallery, and there you go. That's all. If you just want to generate photo with AI, you can visit flixclip.com. You can find out the link just here on my video description below. So this is all about how you can generate a photo with AI. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends. Peace.